Most of us could have a doubt about who is the world's richest person. Either it's Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. Till 7th Jan 2021, 10:15 am, Jeff Bezos is the world's richest person. But thereafter there is a sudden rise in the share value of Tesla company. It is due to increase in the demand of electric cars made by Tesla. So, how did these two persons has become world's richest person? To know this, let us enter into the video. First of all, let us have a look at Jeff Bezos. He was born on 12th Jan 1964 in New Mexico City. He was graduated from Princeton University in 1986 and later on he was worked as a fourth vice president in D.E. Shaw & Co., a hedge fund company. In 1993, he left his job in D.E. Shaw & Co. and founded a online bookstore called Amazon. First of all, he has a thought to put the name of his company as Cadabra, as the name represents corpus, which is very near to dead body. He decided to change the name of his company as Amazon, which is world's second largest river. You might have seen a smiley from A to Z on Amazon logo. It represents that A to Z, each and every product is available in Amazon store. At present, the Amazon is first largest online shopping retailer in the world. Initially, he started selling his books online. Later on, he diversified into selling the CDs, video games, and later on toys. But now, everything is available in Amazon. For making the Amazon such a successful company, he worked a lot. When he started this by resigning his job in D.E. Shaw & Co., a hedge fund company, many people discouraged him a lot that no one is going to buy the products online. You are going to fail. Your company is going to bankrupt. But he knows that he is going to succeed in long term. And now, if we want to buy a product, we first of all look at Amazon. He is not only a owner of Amazon, but he is also a owner of Blue Origin. The objective of this company is to take the people to space with low cost, and he is also a owner of Amazon Web Services, IMDb, Amazon Kindle, Amazon Music. He is also trying to establish Amazon Studios, Amazon Film City. At present, his net worth is 192.6 billion US dollars. In Indian currency, it is nearly 13 lakh crore rupees. He is also working on a clock which would work for 10,000 years. The speciality of this clock is it would make a tick sound for every 1 year and the chick will come out and sing a song for every 100 years. This is all about Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos. Let us look at the world's richest person, Elon Musk. He was born on 20th June 1971 in South Africa. He was very interested about space from his childhood days. Do you know one thing? When he was 12 years old, he himself learned coding and developed a game called Blaster. It is the game of killing aliens in space by a hero, and he sold this game to another company for 500 US dollars. In 1995, he went to Stanford University to do PhD, but he left the college in 2 days and started his own company called Zip2. The business model of this company is to navigate the location from one place to another. It's just like Google Maps. In 1992, Zip2 company was merged with Compaq company, and as a result, Elon Musk got his share of 22 million US dollars. And he started a new company with this money called X.com. The business model of this company is to transfer money online from one bank to another. It just provides online banking services. After a year, he merged this company with Confinity and changed the name to PayPal. But in 2002, eBay took over the PayPal and merged in it. Elon Musk got his share of 165 million US dollars as a result of this merger, and his race to space has started with this new company called SpaceX in 2002. He has an idea to build a greenhouse and plant trees in Mars. The project is called Mars Oasis. For this purpose, he went Russia to purchase the rockets, but Russians valued the rockets at very high price. So Elon Musk was very disappointed and came back to his home country and got to know that manufacturing cost of rocket is 3% of its price. He decided to design the rockets and build the rockets in his own company And the goal of company is to take the people to Mars with low cost and manufacture the rockets at very low cost. In 2003, he has incorporated another company called Tesla. Business model of this company is to make electric cars which are very high efficient. Meanwhile, in 2006, the first rocket launched by SpaceX was failed, and again in 2007, the second rocket, and again in 2008, the third rocket was very big failures for SpaceX. But the fourth rocket launched by SpaceX was very successful, and the total funds with the company was spent. Both the companies SpaceX and Tesla were into bankrupt. Elon Musk is in a dilemma. What is next? The next day he got a call from NASA that we want to give you a contract of 1.6 billion US dollars, and that day the fate of Elon Musk has changed. SpaceX and Tesla got redefined. Now both the companies SpaceX and Tesla are very successful companies, and the rockets were developed by SpaceX are reusable. He is also working on two more companies. Number 1, Solar City. Business model of this company is to run the world with solar panels and reduce the usage of electricity. Number 2, The Boring Company. Business model of this company is to build the subways at low cost and reduce transportation problem. This is how Elon Musk has become world's richest person. If my explanation is good, like my video and subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family members. I wish the person who is watching this video, that is you, and explaining this video, I should also be a part of this race very soon. Thank you guys.